So, Nene, are you a birdie?
Yeah.
You're a birdie?
Yeah.
Are you from heaven? Yeah. Are you a baby angel?
Yeah.
Hey! Are you excited to see Jesus?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
uh, are you a birdie in the tree?
Yes.
One more time. Are you a baby angel from heaven?
Yeah.
Awesome. Teach your children the ways of the Lord God, and they will not stray away from the truth when they grow older. I love you guys. Drop your comments. I was full of joy whenever I heard her say that. I love you.
I love you.
All right. Mwah. Hugs and kisses, Nay.
Okay.
Hugs. All right. Say, drop your comments.
Drop it down.
Say, subscribe to Jesus. Say, follow Jesus. All right. All right. Well, I love you guys. Drop your comments, subscribe, and like I just said, teach your kids the truth. They are the future. All right. Jesus is coming back soon. Lord God, one and only.